Well, Chris Popper joined here by Nick Turner here at the historic Grand Theater. And Labor Day has come and gone, but oh my, neither of us are in white pants, so that's a good thing.
You don't want to see me in white pants.
No. But we both have socks, so that's good too.
Yes.
All right. So, but there's so much happening here as we transition from late summer into fall.
Yeah.
Things actually pick up here at the Grand.
All of a sudden, it's just fall. It just changed so quickly. But yeah, there's tons coming up, and we're really excited to get back into live theater. So we're working this month getting ready for Annie opening in October. So it's a big movie month, September.
So, and one of the things that we talked about last week is that the Cinegrand movies are moving from Tuesday nights to Thursday nights. So kind of compressing the week where you've got the Cinegrand movie on Thursday and then the replay, the encore edition, Friday afternoons with the subtitles. Yeah,
we thought we'd try focusing on a big event weekend where we could concentrate all our labor and our energies to make it even more special.
Right.
And I'm hoping that it didn't really affect our Tuesday folks, that they're still into Thursday nights. Yeah, Thursday night movies. And there's this week is Tully. Yeah, Charlize Theron. Charlize Theron's Tully. And then there's a big 3D weekend coming up as well. But I would be remiss in not mentioning during Autumn Gold this year, which we'll talk more about maybe next week.
Well, give the dates.
Yeah. Well, Autumn Gold weekend, we start on September 21st to the 23rd, and we're bringing back the Great Maine Puppet Festival, which has marionettes. We have Frogtown, but I'm most excited about the Mr. Rogers movie. We're showing Won't You Be My Neighbor, if you were a Mr. Rogers guy.
Listen, I went to Middlebury College and from 1978 to 1982. I was amazed at the amount of people in college that would stop everything and watch Mr. Rogers.
Yeah, it was a great show.
I mean, you know, you talk about the lessons for life with a man putting on a cardigan and talking about trolley and going. I mean, it's just I see it all in my mind.
I was always a little torn between Mr. Rogers and Captain Kangaroo.
Yes.
I loved them both so much.
Well, it's all those ping pong balls that were dropping down.
Pouring down. But yeah, that's a big week. The calendar is available online. You can download it online or stop by and pick it up. And it gives you a great preview of everything coming up. It's really just September through January of just events and live theater and music, and it's very exciting.
So this is September and October that's out right now.
Yes, sir.
So, and then next week, so we've got Tully this Thursday, and then what's happening this weekend?
Next week,
weekend.
This weekend we've got a live theater showcase on Saturday night. We're inviting all local theater companies. This is our second one. They come and do sort of a preview or a highlight of their seasons. It's a lot of fun. It's a great way to meet people, especially if you're interested in doing theater. That's Saturday night.
And most of these troupes are all looking for actors in a great way, as you mentioned. Come on in, watch, and then interact with them. Yeah,
get to meet them and get to introduce yourself, and then to see the kind of work they do too. I'm frankly blown away at how rich the theater community is in Maine. It's a little crazy. And then the season premiere of Poldark is free on Sunday at 4.
Okay.
Maine Public is here to show us the season premiere of Poldark.
Excellent.
Which is pretty cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, so a lot happening here at the Grand. Make sure you pick up a calendar. You can either stop by here or outside in the mailbox.
Right there.
So you can get those 24/7. You can always come in. You can call 667-9500 or go to the website, grandonline.org, and print off your own copy at home.
Yeah, absolutely. Put it on the refrigerator. You're ready to go.
All right. Thanks for watching. Check out all of the other videos we have on the WDEA YouTube channel.